Skills Certificate for Drone Piloting, is a certification accredited by the Department of Skills Development, DSD, under the Ministry of Human Resources, and recognized by the Government of Malaysia. Malaysian Skills Certificate, SKM. The objectives of these courses are, to understand what is SKM and its benefits, to understand the process of practical examination, to understand the roles of authorities related to drones, to know the flying permit application procedure in Malaysia, to understand the flight operation procedure based on the National Occupational Skills Standard, NOS, and to understand the standard procedure for safe flight.
What are the benefits of SKM?
Skills certification in Malaysia is recognized by the industry. Career. SKM offers an attractive career and personal development path. Quality. SKM is able to produce skilled workers to enhance the competitiveness of the local industry in the global market. IR 4.0. Industrial Revolution 4.0 helps improve productivity, efficiency, quality, and develop new skills for the community. Recognized. SKM is a formal nationally recognized certificate issued by the government for individuals. Profile. SKM holders are articulated with a higher level of qualifications. The drone market is expanding rapidly due to its rapid change to its ability to drive efficiency and data analysis. The industry that requires certified drone pilots are engineering and construction, oil and gas industry, mapping and survey, enforcement and disaster, telecommunication industry, film industry, and the agriculture industry.
Practical examination process.
Register with the Department of Skills Development DSD via Practical Assessment Center, such as ours, ARCA Drone, which is registered with DSD. But, in order to be eligible for this examination, you must be 17 years of age and above. A minimum of 2 years drone flying experience. Registration must be submitted with the verification from the employer. If you currently run your own business, a letter of oath must be submitted. These are the requirements from the Department of Skills Development, DSD. Once registered, DSD will confirm the examination date based on students' proposals. Then, attend a revision course organized by the Practical Assessment Center, like ours, register for the examination and practice on the past questions. You will then attend a practical examination day that has been confirmed by the DSD. On this day your performance will be evaluated by the external verification officer and the relevant examiners from related departments. There will be 2 parts of the examination: theory and practical. The theory will only have 10 questions, interviewed by the examiner. You will be given 2 hours to answer the questions. Candidates' performance will be evaluated based on the following criteria: critical items, working process, working results, attitude and safety. Anyhow, the most important evaluation will be the critical items. In this critical item segment, if only one thing is not performed, then the whole test results will fail. Nonetheless, we are here to help the candidates to understand and answer the questions correctly. Results will be announced before the end of the session. Once you pass the exam and evaluation, a certificate will be issued within 3 months from the day of examination.
I am above 17, but I don't have that 2 years experience flying drones.
Don't worry. It is not the end of the road for you. If you do not meet the requirements I mentioned earlier, we also provide beginner's course, comprehensive drone operator flight training. We will issue you with a logbook for you to track your flying hours and prepare you for the SKM examination, plus all the necessary training needed to fly a drone properly, and most importantly, fly drones safely. The contents of the syllabus are: Malaysian Aviation Authority, pre-flight preparation, drone flight operation, post-flight operation, drone maintenance and method of storage, practical examination. All trainings is conducted by certified trainers, endorsed by the Department of Skills Standard Malaysia. By the way, for the beginner's course, we give you a free drone. Yes, you heard that right. A free drone. This is to enable you to train by yourself, gain the flight hours of flying a drone, and in no time, be eligible for the SKM examination and be certified. If you choose not to further and be certified under SKM, you already have the proper knowledge and skills to fly and maintain a drone safely. The choice is yours. This certification training is catered to those looking for a professional career as a drone operator or drone pilot. This is also to further educate all drone enthusiasts on the skills, as well as the safety aspects of flying a drone. Whether you are already experienced but not certified, or as an enthusiast for personal use that needs to be properly trained on the right aspects, this is the first thing you need to do. Register with us now.
In collaboration with Archidrone, your visual data analytics specialists.